Feels kind of cold right here. Brooke hasn't been here yet, so I wanted to show her this place. First stop, the hospital. She hasn't been to Cracker Barrel either, so we're going to Cracker Barrel after this. Let me know in the comment section, are you wanting to get into exploring abandoned towns, ghost towns, get into paranormal activity hunting? If you live in California, this might be closer than you think. And if you're far away, this one's easy to find. All right, today's topic, a beginner's guide to getting into ghost towns, ghost hunting. Here's an easy one to find. Type in George AFB on Google Maps, right there. Hit start.
Exit the parking lot toward Airbase Road, Air Expressway Boulevard.
So I'm right around the corner, 6 minutes away. I'll show you guys what to look for. Okay, expect to see modern aviation facilities like Boeing right here. You're gonna see this in this area. Just stay on Phantom West. Take a right on Nevada Avenue and you'll see these buildings right here, and that's it. You have arrived. I'll show you a few ways to get in. Intersection of George Boulevard and Nevada. Go ahead and take a left on George. And then there's an entrance right here. See? Right there. Gate hours, 10 p.m. to 5:30 a.m. What do you think of this place so far, honey?
It's creepy.
And you said it feels cold in here, right?
Yeah, the air feels cool. The air coming out.
I forgot my ghost finding meter, but it was going crazy in these buildings. I recommend that you guys don't go in here unless you have a mask. Me and my buddy Chris, we went in these buildings for like an hour or two. I don't know how Chris felt, but I felt sick after. So you're breathing in all kinds of fumes and chemicals. When you were reading about this place, what did you read? That it's jet fuel?
Yeah, it's contaminated.
Yeah.
The soil.
Yeah.
There's like some forever chemicals
Yeah.
as well.
And then, like I said in previous videos, probably breathing in asbestos. So try not to go in the buildings too long or wear a mask. The abandoned hospital. I forgot my paranormal activity finder, but I'll show you footage from the last time I was here. It's definitely haunted in there, and you could feel the coldness. Like I said, if you want to go in the buildings, wear a mask. I felt sick after being in these buildings for a while. I was like coughing for a couple days. I'm okay now. Hopefully I didn't do no permanent damage. I just want to pass on some good information to you guys. And then it says no trespassing all the way over there, but then there's a gate that's open here that looks like it's fine to go inside. So who knows? I don't think there's going to be any security out here. Like, it's a waste of time. What are you going to take? For real. If you use my previous videos for directions how to get here, and you actually visited this place, or you visit this place because of this video, let me know in the comments section. Is it what you were expecting, or is it a lot crazier once you see it up close? My ghost finding meter went crazy down there. Like Brooke said, there's like chills in this place.
It's from the 80s.
Oh geez, you're right, man. It's more haunted down here. So you saw the videos I made of this place. Isn't it a lot different when you're seeing it in person?
Oh yeah, definitely way more to see in person.
Yeah. Like the videos doesn't like...
Videos don't justify it.
Exactly. Like the scope of how big this place is.
It's a lot to take in.
Yeah. It's unreal.
Very unreal.
Yeah, it's unreal. From the top of my van, See the mountains off to the distance. This was a housing complex, this area right here. These big numbers, that's my tire pressure. The little numbers, that's the temperature outside. It's a 100-degree day. So we'll hang out inside with the AC on. And I don't want Brooke breathing all these toxins in. When I was younger, I moved around a lot. My dad was in the Navy. And looking at this place, it reminds me of when we used to live in Hawaii. Like, all the buildings were the same setup, same back patio. Maybe that's for the architects. If you have a simple floor plan, it's just easier to make. All the same style patios. Like, kind of a generic military housing. But yeah, I'm getting memories from when I was a kid looking at this. Isn't it crazy to think that there used to be thousands of people running around these streets? People, their pets, cats, dogs, families, who moved around a lot when they were kids. My dad joined the Navy when he turned 18. That's how he left the Philippines. That's how he became a US citizen. So I saw a lot of housings like this when I was younger. Yeah, even though this is California, it reminds me of Hawaii. I have a mini bike, a Coleman CT200U. I think I'm gonna go down here again when the weather is a little cooler. I'm gonna ride my mini bike around this area. Get my Instacam 360 going. So the intersection going in with the gate is that way. So before the gate, you're gonna see this building and you're gonna see this sign right here. Off to the left, there's the houses. It's going to say no trespassing. You could not listen to me and go in through here. So here's the other way in. If you have a car, don't do this. If you got a truck, you're fine. Yeah, that's the other way in. And then it'll just loop all the way around to that gate. I think she likes this place. You like this place?
Oh yeah, I definitely want to explore more. I definitely think it's definitely a cool place to check out on foot.
Yeah.
Yeah, unfortunately I wore sandals. I know better for next time. But I'm still going to explore. It's got to be extra careful.
Yeah, when it gets colder and a mask.
Yeah, definitely come prepared next time.
Do you smell all the fumes?
Oh, definitely.
So you wanted to go in here?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Yeah, so we went back in, so I said I might as well show you guys the no trespassing way to get in here. But like I said, like, this is such a waste of taxpayer funds. If there's security, what are we gonna take? And if you want to live in here, go for it. Okay, do this adventure at your own risk. All the fumes and the no trespassing sign, it's all on you if you want to check this place out. So that looks like an apartment complex this way. So me and Chris, we live streamed at that area. So we're checking out this area today. It's all the same apartment complex. I'm surprised there's still cabinets in here. Yeah, I definitely want to find an undisturbed area like this. It'll actually be even more creepy if you're into creepy stuff. Someone had the same idea as me.
Oh, look at the dogs.
Check out Georgia Abandoned Air Force Base. Okay, we're headed to Cracker Barrel now.
Head toward George Boulevard, then turn left onto George Boulevard.
22 minutes. People don't say hi to each other anymore. We waved at this guy, and he was all happy. It's just nice to wave at people. Just acknowledge people. We have the same idea.
Turn right onto Nevada Avenue.
We want to check out a ghost town, abandoned town with jet fuel spill and asbestos. Yeah, generic military housing complex. All the buildings are the same. I'm probably just breathing in asbestos right now instead of getting haunted activity. Yeah, nothing haunted. John does paranormal stuff. New channel. John Ghost Hunter.
I like it.
Dude, there's still a... Where's your flashlight? Something's going on in here. Right here. Where's the operating room at? Oh, right there.
Ooh.
Ooh, John.
Ooh.
What's my new movie? John investigates paranormal stuff. Something like that.